Hi, today news is the warning have been loud and clear. The West Coastline was on red alert as winds reached more than 90 meters and hot. The first time I heard that alarm in the phone was likely a very scary thing. So yes, do you think those alarms seem justified given that what we are seeing now? I think so. You hear this warning, but you don't ever think it's going to be this bad. I lost my spectacles. I don't know they below off in the wind. They blew off in the wind. Yeah, 3 million people received a siren to their phones and explicit warning about what could be in store. Some of those people may have looked out the window and thought, "What is all the fuss about?" But others in the more exposed part of this coastline, the path of storm Dara has been pretty full on the cabins on Lodopire have withstood all kinds of harsh weather for nearly 150 years, but Dara ripped one of them up in parts of South Wales. There was little sign of storm. Grant and Peter still went off their mornings deep in the sea at Penner near Cardiff. I swim every day. If there had been debris in the water or highways or a lot of wind down here, I wouldn't have got in, and it didn't put off those who fish here regularly. It's pretty safe, as you can see. It's not that bad. I think is a bit of an overreaction, and as long as you are safe, you feel safe. I think yeah, and some code of for dinner tonight. The Welsh First Minister insisted the warnings had been appropriate. We were really pleased that the people of Wales needed the alarm system that was sent out for the first time on such a large scale last night. People have honored and respected that warning, and we had of our severe disruption, but so far not the kind of calamitous or situation so many had feared. In Lancashire, a man in his 40s died after a tree fell on his van near Preston, and a similar thing happened to another driver near Birmingham in the west of Ireland. They spent that day clearing roads, and tens of thousands of homes lost power. Of Sporting Calendar took a battering to the last Merseyside derby at Goodison Park between Everton and Liverpool will now be rescheduled, and the organisers of Christmas markets and festive events were forced to call them off. The high winds are now clearing the UK, but people are being asked to continue to take heed of the weather warnings and flood alerts. Thank you.